Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another Telegram application. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this bot on Telegram called the Watermelina. Okay, so this is the Watermelina. This is invite to earn. Okay, climb the leaderboard and escape the fruit police. So this is the game, guys. Okay, you have your watermelon character here. Right now, the high score is 663 and the last run is 85. Okay, let's try to do one game, guys. Just click the start here. Okay, the thing is, we need to have the FC coin to be able to upgrade our character, guys. Okay, so there's a magnet here, so we can get more FC coin, guys. Okay, okay, so close at all. Okay, it's like a Flappy Bird, guys. It's easy to play, enjoyable, and so guys, I got busted. So I got 27 FC and then plus 20 airdrops, guys. Okay, we will see that here on our airdrop. So watermelon league, so watermelon points. Plant your seed, every WP counts, guys. So ends in 59 days. So final rewards depend on your season 1 standing. Keeps stacking WP bigger melons, earn bigger futures. Okay, they have a referral program here, guys. So invites and earn a WP. Get a 20% bonus WP from active referrals. Your code, guys, this is my code. Please use it and join this watermelon. You can copy or just send the invite link on your friends, guys. So you earn 20% referral bonus from your referrals. WP, their earnings are not reduced, guys. They have the leaderboard right now that has a 25,723 FC points. You can use your FC points here also, guys, at the shop. You can buy skins, backgrounds, and fart trails, guys. So that's 2,500 FC and Inferno Trail. This is good, guys. So 22,000 FC. This is the home and you can see your energy here, guys. You can upgrade your energy. Also, the target one or the mission is available here. And your FC points and the WP airdrop, guys. Okay, this game is very basic. You can just start all over again and farm points, guys. You can see my score is adding up. So from 300 it goes to 400, guys. Make sure, oh my goodness, so busted. Okay, this game is so fun, guys, to play. And you can also have your airdrop while you are playing. Okay, here at the airdrop of Watermelon League. I think that's all about these games. If you learn more about and if you love the game like this, guys, please comment down below, share it to your friends, and like this video. So again, this is Crypto saying bye-bye.